YouTube Shorts has just rolled out new algorithm updates that make going viral easier than ever and give you a chance to earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars. If you know how to play the game properly, of course, I'm here to make things easier for you. All you have to do is follow my tips, and you'll be on your way to achieving significant visibility. But beware, skipping even one of these tricks could hinder your chances of going viral during this prime opportunity. In today's video, I'm going to unravel the mysteries behind the YouTube Shorts algorithm and share 15 powerful tips that can excel your views and supercharge your channel's growth. Stick around because these insights could be the key to taking your content to the next level. Let's get started. First, you need to understand how this system works to maximize your content's visibility. Here's what you need to know. The YouTube Shorts algorithm is a formula used to mark, rank, and distribute YouTube Shorts content to users' feeds. It personalizes its approach for each user. That's why one person's Shorts experience will vary from another. In a nutshell, there are some criteria that decide where and when your content is shown, ideally to people who find it valuable and enjoyable. The YouTube Shorts algorithm shows your videos to viewers who likely watch, share, like, and subscribe to your content. It is a smaller scale version of the regular YouTube algorithm, exclusively dealing with Shorts 3-minute maximum clips, and here are the 5 elements that it prioritizes. The first thing, you've guessed it, is views. When a short shows up in a user's feed, the viewed and swiped away metric tracks how many users stopped to watch it compared to those who kept scrolling. It is one of the simplest ways to determine if your content engages your audience. It tracks the percentage of instances where viewers watch your shorts rather than swiping away. I found that a 50% viewed ratio is pretty standard, so this is what you should aim for in the early stage of your YouTube journey. Next up is retention. This metric represents those viewers who stayed until the end of the video. A general rule of thumb is to aim for an audience retention rate of at least 40%. Within YouTube Studio, you can see a breakdown of the average view duration time, the average percentage viewed, and a chart that shows the audience retention percentage over time, so you can see which parts in your video you lost viewers. This can be your guidance to increase retention rate and improve your content over time. YouTube Shorts are affected by your viewing history, just like with the regular long format. Essentially, the content you see is tailored to keep you engaged. YouTube aims to retain your attention by providing a steady stream of clips aligned with your interests. You see, user interaction with YouTube Shorts influences what they see more of. Higher engagement, such as increased watch time, comments, shares, and likes, will lead to more content of that type appearing in their feed. Conversely, low engagement with certain categories can result in seeing less of that content. YouTube Shorts are personalized by the algorithm to align with users' interest and niche preferences. When a user subscribes to your channel, it signals to the algorithm that your content is relevant to them. It helps ensure that your shorts are more likely to appear in their feed, maintaining engagement with your existing audience. Now that you understand how the YouTube Shorts algorithm works, let's get into the fun part. Here are my 15 tips that can make the platform work for you. Number 1. Focus on the audience. This is a crucial strategy for leveraging the YouTube Shorts algorithm effectively. The primary goal of YouTube Shorts is to cater to user behaviors and interests, which means the algorithm is designed to favor content that resonates with viewers. While it's impossible to predict audience preferences with absolute certainty, understanding their likes, dislikes, and viewing habits can enhance your chances of success. By putting yourself in the shoes of your ideal audience, you can create engaging and relevant content that speaks directly to their needs and preferences. This not only increases viewer retention, but also boosts the likelihood of your shorts being promoted by the algorithm, ultimately leading to greater visibility and engagement. Number 2. Stick to your niche. You need to be clear about your niche and stick to it. Why? It acts like a guiding light since the YouTube algorithm thrives on clarity. If your content is scattered and unfocused, it will struggle to determine who should see your videos. Think of it this way. The platform functions like a matchmaking service that connects your content with viewers. If it cannot quickly understand what your channel is about, it won't confidently recommend your short to the right audience. Number 3. Research other creators thoroughly. Once you choose a niche and dedicate your videos to it, you will have to take a look around to see the competitive landscape and how other creators are doing. Analyze, research, and compare how their content, engagement, keywords, tags, etc. match up to your own. Here's my advice. Don't see them as competitors. see them as teachers instead. By doing the analysis, you can see where other creators shine and what they may have missed. It can then help drive your creating strategies and focus on your value proposition to uniquely position your videos on YouTube. Number 4, prioritize the hook. To prevent users from swiping away, you need to create a great intro. Give your introduction as much interest and entertainment value as possible. Draw in your audience with appealing visuals and dynamic content. You can also entice viewers to watch to the end of each short by including a teaser in your caption or promising what's to come in the early seconds of the video. Number 5, capitalize on trends. This might be one of the first things new creators try when they start out. The YouTube landscape is packed with short-lived trends like songs, challenges, and memes. Keeping tabs on what's currently going viral can give you plenty of shorts ideas and get more eyes on your content. So jump onto the trend, your channel might blow up faster than you think. Number 6, use trending music. One easy way to attract views is to play a trending song behind your video. Popular music and sounds not only make your shorts more engaging and easily recognizable, but also make them more discoverable. To find trending music, tap Add Sound as you create a new short. You can choose from popular songs from the top sound section. Number 7, add caption. Do you know that you can increase video viewing by 80% just by adding captions? The subtitles not only ensure that all viewers can follow along with what is being said, but they also help increase audiences' attention and make them more likely to watch the clip in its entirety. And when your audio isn't perfect, captions are a lifesaver. Whether your video was filmed at a busy event or just in a noisy setting, on-screen words make it easy for viewers to stay in sync with what's being said, no matter the sound quality. Adding captions to your shorts makes your content engaging for everyone, including those with hearing impairment. Plus, by having subtitles in different languages, you open the door for your content to reach audiences worldwide, breaking down language barriers and making your shorts globally accessible. Number 8, avoid oversell. Take a look at this.
Like and subscribe! Like and subscribe!
How would you feel if you watched this? The constant call for likes and subscribe can be, frankly, quite annoying. While traditional best practices for video creating dictate that everything should include a CTA, that may not hold true for shorts. Your audience is looking for entertainment, a quick chuckle, or a dopamine hit. If you use 10 of your precious 60 seconds to make a sales pitch or ask your audience to do something, you risk them swiping away. Long story short, use your CTA sparingly and wisely. Giving YouTube clues about what your video is about will help the platform find people who want to see your content. Embrace YouTube SEO and make sure you're using the most relevant keywords that'll help people find your work. The YouTube algorithm looks at everything, including your title, description chapters, the tags you use, and the short itself. Feed it as much information as possible so it can share your content with its ideal audience. That means including relevant keywords wherever you can. Number 10, take advantage of the relevant hashtags. Hashtags are crucial for improving the discoverability of your content. They help the algorithm understand what your content is about and who might be interested in it. Use relevant and trending hashtags to help your video surface in search results. But don't overdo it. Stick to a few relevant ones that truly define your content. Number 11, don't skip the thumbnail. In the past, you could only take a screen grab from a point in the video, but now YouTube has updated this feature to give us more options. Now, you can add filters or text to that screen grab, making it much easier to create a custom thumbnail. When you have a clip that's performing well, adding a custom thumbnail can help it rank even better in search, attracting views from both the YouTube homepage and search results. I've already made a short showing how to create an engaging custom thumbnail. You can check it out. Number 12, determine the best posting time. Timing is key when it comes to shorts. Knowing when your audience is most active and aligning your publishing schedule accordingly can significantly impact your shorts' performance. Fortunately, it's easy to find out the best time to post your shorts. From the YouTube Studio, click Analytics and then the Audience tab. Scroll down to the When Your Viewers Are on YouTube tab and you'll see the best time to post on YouTube for your specific audience. Number 13, review shorts performance. As with everything on social media, data is your best friend. If your strategy is stuck, stunted, or stalled, it's probably time to take a look at your analytics. Without detailed analytics and data tracking, you're only speculating. Get clear charts, graphs, and numbers, then use the information gathered to better inform your YouTube videos going forward. Number 14, keep experimenting. You'll never know unless you try. Try experimenting with different types of content like music, a voiceover, or editing style. You can also experiment with different lengths of shorts. By continuously testing different approaches and analyzing the results, you can refine your content strategy and increase your chances of going viral, as the algorithm is more likely to promote engaging and innovative content. Remember, you'll never know what works unless you try. Number 15. Show up consistently. Just like the long-form videos, consistency is key in building a successful YouTube Shorts channel. Regular posting not only keeps your current audience engaged, but also favors you with the algorithm. Posting consistently doesn't mean bombarding your audience with content, but instead maintaining a regular, predictable schedule. This provides certainty for your viewers about when to expect new videos and signals to the algorithm that you're an active creator. Glad that you've made it to the end. I know it's a lot, but if you can apply my tips to your content creating process, you will go really far. But the YouTube algorithm will continue to evolve, and your job is to adapt to it. As you can see, there is a trend that led to a full-blown up of many Shorts channels, which is creating content using the help of AI tools. And the results are mind-blowing. This means AI-generated Shorts can survive on the platform. It might even become the next big thing. Why? Because AI can produce fast, visually captivating videos that keeps viewers engaged. Meanwhile, the goal of the algorithm is to keep people hooked and binge watching for hours. You can create AI-generated content much faster than traditional production, allowing you to jump on trends immediately. The Shorts algorithm favors trending topic, so having AI-driven flexibility can give you an edge. You don't even need extensive technical skills to produce high-quality visuals. With the help of available tools, you can create lots of Shorts in limited time, and all you need is an idea. If you want to learn more about how to create a faceless channel, you can check out my last video for more details. And there you have it, your essential guide to cracking the YouTube Shorts algorithm. Apply these 15 tips and see positive results on your channel. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, as this will not only help you discover what works best for your channel, but also bring in thousands of dollars to your revenue. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time!